Hey guys, what's up? It's Kiara here. The long-awaited video is finally coming at you. Today I'm gonna be doing a full in-depth tour of my entire apartment, what it looks like. Gonna show you all the rooms so you know the layout. Let's go back outside so we can get this started. We have a pretty open layout, so this is actually our living room slash dining room area. We hang out in here a lot, and then this also morphs into the kitchen. But I'll start over here on this wall. I still have my 21 decorations up for my birthday party. Over here, we just keep our keys. We have a little place for our mail. I got this at Home Goods, and I really like it. It keeps everything organized and helps us remember to bring those little key things. This is our dining room table. We got this whole entire bar stool set at IKEA. We spend the majority of our time at this table doing homework and studying because it's got so much surface area. I ended up buying another chair for it because we have people over all the time, so we wanted to offer them a place to sit. The lights up here, I get a ton of questions about these. These are all from IKEA. It comes in like a couple different pieces, and my dad was awesome, and look at this beautiful job he did. So he just hung those and made the wire go all the way down there. So good job, Doug. And then we have this dream catcher that was in my room from freshman year, and I had to incorporate it into the room because our accent color is blue. We have this big, beautiful blue wall right here. And we got this little picture frame at IKEA. Then down here we have our TV, our Roku TV. And this is like literally our favorite thing ever because we play our music on our TV. We have Pandora on there. We have Netflix, Hulu, Xfinity. We record all of our shows. So it's been really convenient and nice for us to have such a big TV screen, and especially fun for when people come over. We have this nice little plant to add some greenery into our life. This is from Home Goods. And then I just hung these little lights because I thought they were kind of fun, and they matched those lights right there. So they look like the mini version of them. I got this mirror at not Target. I got this mirror at IKEA, and I love it so much. And then over here on this wall, I was really struggling. I had no idea what I wanted to do. Originally, I wanted to do a gallery wall, but I thought it would be really hard to do that many holes in the wall, and I didn't know how I wanted it arranged. So I actually found these little shelves at IKEA. They're super thin, they're not very wide, so they just hold picture frames really well. And then I gathered a bunch of different things. This is from Home Goods. This frame's from Home Goods. This is a picture of Taylor and I from when we went to Hawaii together for spring break. And then we have the Chi Omega sign up there. Another picture of Taylor and I from freshman year when we met. And then that little thing, I don't know what it is, but it's from Home Goods. Down here we have our couch, and we love this couch so much. It actually pulls out, so if I pull these little tabs right here, it expands to be like a giant, I don't know, a futon, I guess that's what it's called. We actually bought this from a friend. Elle's couch is now our couch. We have a ton of pillows on it. These two are both from Home Goods. This is from Nordstrom Rack. This one's from Home Goods, and this one's from West Elm. We also have this little TV stand, which is really convenient because when we sit and have dinner here, when it's just Taylor and I, and we catch up on our show, we're both watching A Million Little, is it A Million Little Things? Yeah, I think it's A Million Little Things. And so that's kind of like been our tradition, and we'll put our food right here. We have a bunch of fake candles. I got these at Albertsons actually. Sometimes we move it over there when we pull out the couch, whatever's easiest for us. And then over here we have a lamp that literally just does this, and it's really convenient when we're studying. You can just move this around and point it. We also have a charging cable. I really recommend this if you have a living room. This is a 10-foot long cable, so if you're sitting all the way in that corner, you can still charge your phone, which I love. This is something that's really cool. My dad actually made this for me. It's inspired by one that they sell at Urban Outfitters, and I wanted it as well. So my crafty father built this shelf for me, and it's just filled with a bunch of different little knickknacks. These bins are from PB Teen, and they're just great storage. We have our University of Oregon football book, very important studying material. And then it's just a bunch of pictures with our littles and Taylor and I in Hawaii, and it's kind of decorated for fall right now. So that's that. Over here into our kitchen, we have our Polaroid wall. This just has literally all the memories so far of this year. First day of school. This is move-in day, our first meal we ever had here. So we're planning on covering this entire wall with the Polaroids. This is Taylor's room. I'll show that to you in a second. And then over here we have some shelves right above our kitchen. We just keep our little plates. We got these bowls at Anthropologie, and we use them so much for everything from like dipping sauces to putting our ice cream in them. Over here we have my new favorite purchase. I just got this weekend, and I've been dying for it. It's a Smeg toaster, and it's a vintage looking one, and Taylor and I did didn't have a toaster, so we were kind of dying with that one. And then over here, we have this Fabrico speaker. Fabrico was nice enough to send this to me, and I love this speaker so much because it's actually an Alexa as well. And what's super cool about this speaker is I actually have a little mini one in my bedroom so that when I'm playing music in the kitchen, I can also be playing the same exact song in my bedroom, and they like communicate with each other. We have some flowers for my birthday party. They're kind of dying, but I also like the way they look. This is our sink, nothing special. Over here we have more storage. We just keep a little like drying rack for our dishes right there. And then right here we have our dishwasher with this little sign that literally saves our life because we just flip it when they're clean and when they're dirty. Over here we have our balcony, and it's very autumnal right now because this tree is so beautiful. So yeah, we have a little balcony. Well, my dad got this table and chair set literally like a year before we even moved into this apartment, and it's so fun to come out here and just sit and eat breakfast. And right now it's like 70 degrees in Oregon, so we've been enjoying the beautiful fall weather. On this side I just keep my cacti, and they're on this adorable stand that I got from IKEA. So we're back in the kitchen, just have a bunch of cupboard storage space where we keep our appliances. The store is very organized. We have all of our cooking supplies in here. We keep some knives and more like utensil-y things in there. All of our spaghetti and pasta. Taylor and I use this all the time. We love olive oil and vinegar and bread, so we got this from IKEA, and we just dip our bread and use those little things. Have a bunch of our cooking utensils here. This little container's from Target, and then our stove. So exciting. And we keep all of our dishes in here. We have a ton of storage. Like, we don't even use all of our storage. We have like empty shelves, but it's kind of nice just to have the option to keep whatever you want in there. We just keep a bunch of our mugs and water bottles, and then right here is where we keep all of our glasses, and a lot of them are dirty right now. Over here we have our coffee station, and Taylor and I are obsessed with coffee, so we use this Keurig a lot. We reach for this drawer, which is my favorite drawer in the entire kitchen. It's our drink and K-cup drawer. We have an assortment of teas on this side, and then we have all of our K-cups. We love coffee. Yeah. And then we have our beautiful fridge and freezer. I don't know, I feel like it's so interesting to look to see what people have in their fridge. So we don't have a ton right now. We honestly need to go grocery shopping, but we do have a lot of San Pellegrinos, and T1 and I are obsessed with San Pellegrinos. So that's our current fave. There's T1. Look at her being such a responsible girl. She's really sore.
I don't look like this, but I just got done with a 14-hour practice.
She's like really sore because she's in dancing.
So bad.
I hurt so bad. Anyway, we're gonna show you her room because it's adorable. So T1's room is right here. This is what it looks like. She did a fantastic job decorating it. She's got her desk over here in this corner, and then this dresser that was honestly such a pain in the butt to build, but now it looks fantastic. And then above her dresser, she's got her Polaroid, a bunch of cute pics. We did twinkle lights around her room. She also has the beautiful view of the tree that's right outside her window. And then over here, she's got her bed, her beautiful championship medal from D Squad. Wait, did you get second place? This is her second place medal from the national championship. She's a star. She really is. Here's another picture of us from Hawaii, another favorite one. And then this is her mirror corner, because she clearly likes to look at herself a lot. We kind of forgot that we had mirrored closets, and so there just happens to be a lot of mirrors, but it's great. You can get whatever angle you want. In this corner, she's got awesome built-in vanity. It's really cool. She can keep all of her stuff in there, and she can get ready by the mirror. So that's T1's room. Over here, we've got this beautiful circular thing that we hang all of our photos on. And then this is our pantry. I take a lot of pride in our pantry. It's very well stocked right now. We did a nice Costco run, and everything has a place, so we love that. Laundry room is so nice to have our own place to do laundry. It's also kind of our storage room. We just keep our schedule with all of our classes and things like that right here. Craft center, cleaning supplies are all kept in here. This whole shelf system is from IKEA, and these bins are from IKEA. It really worked out because now we can just like throw all of our cleaning stuff in there. Have our printer here, a little place to hang all of our cleaning supplies. I got this at the Container Store, and it's really helpful just to keep stuff off the ground. Across from the laundry room, we have my bedroom, and I already did a room tour on this, so here's a little overview, but if you want to see more, you can click the link right there. I'm gonna link it. So yeah, go check out my room. Here we have, well, if I can find the light, here we have the bathroom. We did a lot of yellows, grays, and golds in here. This is is where all the getting ready happens. Hashtag no filter. We have a ton of storage in here too. I love that. We just keep all of our tins and extra things in there. We keep a bunch of towels in here, and then all the rest of like my hair products and everything else is in there. This goes into our actual shower, bathroom, toilet. Honestly, that concludes our tour. We're back in my bedroom. So I hope you guys enjoyed that and that clarified the layout of our apartment. I got so many questions, and if you have any specific questions about where anything's from, if I didn't mention it in the video or you haven't seen my apartment haul, then go check that out. And yeah, Taylor and I had so much fun decorating this apartment together. We filmed a ton of videos of us shopping for it, so that's all in my back to school playlist on my channel. The question of the day today is gonna be, comment down below, what is your most used item in your apartment that's kind of like unexpected? Ours is honestly these little containers from Anthropologie. We use these bowls so much for everything. Hope you guys had a wonderful day, and thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.